guys, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. Let's get into this parting tutorial. So we're going to divide our hair into 3 parts. Use the top of your ear as a way to mark where to start. So I start at the top of my ear and I'm moving all the way to the other side with the other ear, and that helps you keep it all straight. Now put your hair in a ponytail, hold the mirror with one hand, hold the comb with the other, and you're able to clean up your part this way. Now start at the back of your ear, making your way up to the crown, okay? And you go all the way till you reach the other side of your ear. Go ahead and clean up that part. Make sure it's ending in the same spot it did on the opposite side, which is right behind the ear. Then take that front section and divide it into 3, okay? Then go ahead and split each of those 3 sections into 2. Just like that, okay? Go ahead and twist that baby down. And we're going to do the same thing to the other 2 sections. As you can see, now I'm doing the top. I split that into 2, twisting it up, putting it to the side, and then we're going to start with the middle section in the back. Look where I'm starting the next part, right at the first twist. Use that part as a guide and go all the way across to the same point on the other side, right at that first twist. Go ahead and tie your hair away so you could go and clean up the part. I saw that I was a little bit above that first twist in the front, so I'm just adjusting, cleaning up the part. This way I'm making sure it is even. Okay, so you see I'm still using that as a guide. And it looks like I have it all lined up. Now I'm doing the same thing next row with the second twist from the front. I'm using that as a guide. And this way you're keeping the same thickness on each section. That's what you want. That's what makes the part super neat. When everything is the same width, it makes it look professional. And that's what we want. Okay? Okay. Once I got that part done, again, I'm using the parts from the front as a guide. I'm checking it out, see what's going on, making sure it's the same width. And there you have it. I have it all sectioned off. And then that's going to get the great foundation you need for your invisible locks, okay? And you see, I'm just showing you guys all the parts in the front that we did, and voila. Look how pretty this is. Now, y'all know I did a tutorial, so go ahead and look at it right now. Okay, bye.